If you have watched any of my other videos, you're probably like, this chick is in a different kitchen every video. And I am. We're military and we move quite a bit. And when I first started making these videos, we were in our home in Virginia Beach that I lovingly renovated with my husband. And then we moved to Colorado where we were renting a house, and now we're in California and we're also renting this house. So just if you're looking around and you're like, what the heck is happening, that's why. But this is our kitchen for the next three years. So if you see videos from here, that's where we're at and that's our story. But just wanted to update you, but now we're gonna get into our recipe. I love making the shaved Brussels sprouts with pine nuts and Parmesan. It's a super easy and simple side dish, especially if you can find the pre-shaved Brussels sprouts at the grocery store. Most grocery stores have them nowadays. If you look over by the pre-packaged like broccoli florets that are already like peeled apart, or the cauliflower florets, it's usually over there. Trader Joe's always has them. I don't live near Trader Joe's anymore, so I had to resort to shaving my own Brussels sprouts, which is so easy to do. I have this OXO handheld mandolin. I love this thing. It was not expensive at all. This is a great thing to cut up jalapenos, by the way, so you don't have to like touch any of it. And then it cooks up so fast. It's one of our favorite things to have with grilled chicken or roasted fish. So give it a whirl. If I need to shave my Brussels sprouts, I use a mandolin at the lowest setting. In a dry pan over medium heat, toast your pine nuts until they're nice and golden brown. Remove the nuts from the pan and set it back over medium heat. Drizzle with olive oil and then add in your Brussels sprouts and saute. Once tender, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I use Morton's. Continue to stir and then pull off the heat. Add your sprouts to a serving platter, and then you're going to want to top them with those toasted pine nuts. And I use a Y peeler to shave fresh pieces of Parmesan cheese off of a block. Isn't it beautiful? Such a great side dish.